What up, what's up? Today we're going to take a look at the Nike Air Trainer SC High Atlanta Olympics. As you can see, the colorway is teal, gold, and white. Now this is a pretty dope shoe. Now this originally released in August of 2016. You know what I'm saying? It was a special edition shoe made for the 96 Olympics in Atlanta. So you got the gold accents all throughout the shoe. Now the gold on the shoe represents first place. That's what Nike says. You know what I'm saying? So, I guess that's a nice little hit. On the inside, you see the Nike with the laurel wreath. You got that on the insole and on the back. You know what I mean? But man, this is a dope shoe. You got the Georgia peach on one tongue. You got the gold Nike on the other tongue. You know what I'm saying? Now this was a classic. You know, the old school Bo Jacksons. You know what I'm saying? I think they came out pretty dope. Like I say, these released in August 2016. You know what I'm saying? And to get them now, if you're not really affiliated, or you got a relationship with somebody, you know, they might cost you a pretty penny. You know what I'm saying? But excuse me. Nike released this here to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the 96 Olympics. You know what I'm saying? Some people say this was the greatest Olympics of all times. But, you know, that'll be up for debate. Because, you know, I know some people prefer, you know, they claim other Olympics were the best. You know what I'm saying? But to each his own. You know what I mean? But I mean, man, overall, it's a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? I mean, can't really complain about it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm feeling it. You know, you see on the bottom, you got that translucent sole with the multicolored confetti effect on it. You know what I'm saying? That's dope. And hey man, you got the combination of the green suede and the green leather, which is a dope touch. You know what I'm saying? And man, like I say, it's a dope shoe to me. You know, I know a lot of people passed on them. I heard in ATL it was going crazy behind these, man. But I mean, what do you expect? You know what I'm saying? But as you take a closer look, you can see the little gold accents all throughout. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, Nike said the gold represents first place. You know what I'm saying? So that's a nice little nod to the Olympic participants. You know what I mean? But overall, man, like I say, it's a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? And it's still hot, even today. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, if you're looking for these, we got a couple pairs in stock. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna break the bank. We're gonna show love. You know what I'm saying? I'll leave a link in the description where you could go through some of our inventory and copy something. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, all we deal with is official tissue. You know what I'm saying? So look, follow us on Instagram, man, at PeddlerZab504 and the Sneaker Peddler, and I'ma holler back.